Alright guys, as y'all can see and hear, it's kind of dead and slow. Somebody doing a recall over there on the gas tank. I don't want to show y'all these license plate, but let's go to the rear used car department and see what's going on back here. Hey, whoa, what is this? From the look of that emblem. See that? Ooh, Nissan's version of minivan? No, what else they got? Interesting. Ford. So, hey, another Ford. What is going on here? Ford and Nissan day to day, guys. Let's take a look with this van. Let's start with this van. What is this? Hey, how does Nissan stack up to the almighty Chrysler Dodge Grand Caravan Pacifica? All right, push start. Where's the key? That's what I want. Ah, guys, look where they put their shifters. Okay, very, very, very unique. Where is the deckgum key? I want to see year, make, and model. All right. This is Nissan's version of a Caravan. Oh, this don't have nothing on our all too familiar, all too popular. Y'all know Chrysler, the king of minivans, right? Yes, ever since '86 when the minivan showed up, I want to say with a Mikuni carburetor. Not '86. I don't know when that car showed up. Let's see. Okay. I got a little electrical switch. I don't see the key, so I don't know what year this is, guys. Let me find out what kind of car it is. Quest XL. I guess the XL give it a distinction, identity. Well, since I don't have the key, we're gonna at least find out what's under the hood. And ladies and gentlemen, it is. Oh, this hood is heavy. Hey, V6. Well, from the look of those AC connections, it's 134. Y'all know, I guess the 1234YA came out. The Freon came out. I think it showed up in 14, I want to say. 13 or 14. So it's definitely an older model than 14. I want to say the new Freon showed up, but I don't know when all car makers started using it. All right, I know I first seen them in 2014. I first seen that Freon in 2014 Challenger, and guys, that stuff is expensive. All right, I don't have enough info on this. I don't know what year it is. All right, what we got here? This Ford what? Doing brakes or whatever it is. Man, these guys, some hell of a. Look at that, guys. That's how you tie up a caliber. Never leave especially a heavy caliber. Never want to leave that hanging, guys. That is a no-no. How you doing, front and rear? These guys are king cutters around. Oh, this is an Expedition XLT. What's so special about that Expedition? Nothing. Expedition been around for years, man. What do we have to match? I think the Durango stood the test of time. Or is that a turbo? This car must be equipped. I think a competing vehicle the Dodge carry to compete with this was likely the Grand Cherokee. They have it up in the air, guys, so I can't get it under the hood and all that good stuff to see exactly what's going on. But what do we have here? Oh, you Mustang, you Ford enthusiasts, you Ford lovers out there. Mustang. Oh, this is the one with the airbag problem. Yes, it's a wide body. Well, wide body suddenly, all of a sudden, then got popular. Okay, I don't know what's the big fascination about. It looks good on the Chargers and the Challengers. Look, remember I told y'all about my buddy? He still ain't started, guys. I'm done with him. I don't know what's wrong with young kids these days. They have no spunk about them, no get up and go. I have no idea. but I can tell you based off the spark plug counts or the plug wire count, with there being 6, it's likely a V6. Yes, V as in V engine, and I see 6 cylinders. So I thought they had the 5.0 in all the Mustangs, so it's likely an older model. They got some problems. I heard them talking about this. Airbag light on, so they got to figure out why. It's hard to sell a car, new or used, even if you sign waivers. Man, you still some way somehow liable. You cannot, with good conscience, sell a car with an airbag light on. Airbag, guys, is a safety issue, and you're playing with fire if you sell a vehicle that's have safety concerns, whether they sign it or not. You're still playing with fire. So now, y'all know this is my buddy got a generic scan tool that will read just about every module or just about every car. So I assume he was able to tie in and find out what's the fault code to this thing. But for the most part, they got plans for all of these cars, guys. Every last one back here. They would not be resurfacing rotors if they had no plans to sell it. So this is a done deal. What they do is do a full-blown inspection. They got a checklist that they go by, and they end up writing up their estimate. And guys, this wish list checklist is brutal. I mean, they checking everything from license plate bulbs, you name it. All right, they checking it and they doing it. Why can't I see how many? Let me see. Can I get up high? No, guys, I can't get up that high. I want y'all to see since I can't see. But at any rate, guys, this is what's going on in the used car department. I've seen 4 over here. I just only had time to get to maybe 1, but I see the biggest. I don't think this will be here long. That looks good. Okay, and it's different. All right, so yes, we sell more than just Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep. All right, in the used car department, that is. Now, new car department, y'all can see our deck. That's full of brand new cars. Guys, it's about time for another stroll through the deck. All right, about time for another visit. So we're likely gonna do that this weekend, guys. So y'all stay tuned, man. If you're not subscribed to the channel, we're gonna ride through the whole deck. First floor, second floor, and third floor. See what FCA has up their sleeve, because we have the latest and the greatest stuff. All right, guys, I'm done, man. That's all I have. It's almost 6 o'clock. Time for Greg Street to rock. All right.